You've seen these on backpacks, cargo straps, even dog leashes. But what if you could make them instead of just buying them? This strap weaving machine takes nylon, polyester, or cotton thread and weaves it into strong, clean webbing, like magic on a loop. Costs around $6,000. Set it up in a small garage. Start with basic colors, offer custom sizes, and you're already ahead of big manufacturers. They won't bother for short runs. But you'll be the go-to for custom orders, fast delivery, and low minimums. Outdoor brands, gym bag sellers, and gear startups are all looking for reliable strap suppliers. And now, that could be you. You've seen those sleek wooden pens, bowls, and handles on Etsy, right? They're smooth, detailed, and sell like crazy. This mini CNC wood lathe is how they're made. Just load in a block of wood, and it carves perfect curves, threads, and textures all on its own. The machine costs about $3,350. Small enough for a home workshop, smart enough to run designs on repeat. Big factories want bulk orders, but small batch, custom wood pieces, that's your lane. Craft shops, gift sellers, even knife makers, they're all searching for custom wooden parts. You make them once. The lathe handles the rest. Leather wallets, belts, journal covers, you've seen them everywhere. But cutting leather by hand, slow, messy, and inconsistent, that's where this machine comes in. A CNC leather cutter with a vibrating knife. It slices through leather like butter, clean, fast, and precise. Costs around $7,000. Load your pattern, press start, and it does the rest. Big brands won't touch small custom orders. But you can. Custom logos, unique shapes, low minimums, that's your edge. Etsy sellers, indie brands, and local designers. They'll pay up for precision cuts without the factory weight. You just became their secret weapon. Everyone wears socks, but not everyone knows you can make them yourself with a machine like this. This fully automatic sock knitting machine takes in yarn and spits out full socks, stitched, shaped, and ready to wear. It runs on presets, so you don't need to be a textile expert. Costs around $4,000. Plug it in, load your design, and it handles the rest. Big factories want orders in the thousands. But you can offer small batch socks with custom colors, logos, even names. Streetwear brands, sports teams, local gift shops, they all love limited runs. And that's exactly what you'll sell. Ever seen names burned into cutting boards, phone cases, or keychains? That's laser engraving, and it's everywhere. This desktop laser engraver does exactly that. It's small, sleek, and precise. Engraves wood, leather, acrylic, anything flat and personal. Costs just $200. Set it on a desk, hook it up to a laptop, and start crafting. Big companies don't do just one, but you can. Custom gifts, logos, and names, fast turnaround, no bulk required. Etsy shoppers, gift stores, even local cafes want branded items. And now, you've got the laser to make it happen. Broken gold chains, loose earring joints, or custom jewelry work, normally a jeweler's headache. But not with this. This jewelry laser welding machine fuses metals with pinpoint precision. No flame, no mess. Just clean, strong, nearly invisible welds. It handles gold, silver, platinum, perfect for repairs or small custom builds. Costs around $3,200. Fits on a table and runs on simple controls. Big jewelers outsource this work. You can do it in-house, fast and local. Boutiques, repair shops, and custom jewelers are always looking for reliable welders. Now that's you with a laser and a business built on sparkle. Cold-pressed oils are everywhere. Almond, coconut, mustard, sesame. People love them for cooking, skincare, even hair care. This cold oil press machine lets you make those oils yourself. Just feed in the seeds or nuts, and it squeezes out pure, fresh oil without heat or chemicals. Costs around $1,400. Compact, easy to run, and works with a variety of ingredients. Big brands mix and refine, but you press it pure. No additives, no middlemen, just clean local oil. Farmers markets, organic stores, health-conscious families, they'll all line up for fresh oil they can trust. You press, you bottle, you profit. Handmade soap is booming, but plain bars, they don't sell like branded ones. That's where this soap stamping machine comes in. It presses your soap into perfect bars with clean edges and a custom logo stamped deep. Costs about $3,000. Automatic, compact, and fast. Just load the mold and let it press. Big factories won't stamp small batches. But your brand, you can do custom logos, limited editions, even client names. Local soap makers, gift box sellers, skincare startups, they'll pay to make their bars look premium. And you've got the press to make it happen. Parties, street food, weddings, paper plates are everywhere. And demand, it's only going up with the shift to eco-friendly options. This automatic paper plate forming press turns rolls of craft paper into sturdy, ready-to-use plates. Fast, clean, and hands-free. Costs around $9,000. Set it up once and it keeps pumping out plates all day long. Big factories focus on huge contracts. But you can serve local caterers, food stalls, and eco-conscious brands with smaller, quicker batches. Custom sizes, logos, even biodegradable material. Now that's a niche you can own. And this machine is how you start. Ever wondered how boutique chocolatiers get that smooth, glossy finish on every bar? It's not magic, it's tempering. This mini chocolate tempering and molding machine does it all. It melts, tempers, and pours chocolate into molds with perfect consistency. Costs about $1,500. Small enough for a home kitchen, powerful enough for a small business. Big chocolate brands don't do custom, but you can. Logo stamp bars, custom shapes, limited edition flavors, made fresh, made local. Weddings, gift shops, coffee bars, they all want premium chocolate that feels handmade. You bring the flavor. This machine brings the finish. Selling sauces, honey, or spreads, the hardest part isn't making them, it's filling the bottles. That's where this machine steps in. An automatic food-grade filler built for thick liquids like honey, ketchup, mayo, and more. It fills, caps, and seals fast, clean, and consistent. Costs around $15,000. Designed for serious, small-scale production. Big brands have giant lines. But you can run a craft operation with pro-level speed and zero mess. Perfect for sauce startups, local honey brands, or co-packing small batches. You make the flavor. This machine makes it shelf-ready. Ever notice those molded trays that hold eggs, coffee cups, or fruit? They're made from waste paper or sugarcane pulp, and demand is exploding. This pulp molding machine turns recycled pulp into strong, eco-friendly packaging. Egg trays, cup holders, produce containers, you name it. Costs about $9,800. Runs on water, pulp, and heat. Easy to set up, easier to scale. Big manufacturers chase bulk contracts. But you can serve local farms, cafes, and eco-brands with custom sizes and fast delivery. Zero plastic, zero guilt. One machine, endless green products. You recycle, you mold, you build a sustainable business. Seen those satin ribbons at weddings, gift boxes, or boutique packaging? They all start with custom printing, and this little machine makes it easy. This small ribbon banner printing machine prints text, logos, and patterns on ribbons with sharp, clean detail. Perfect for events, branding, and crafts. Costs just $740. Fits on a desk, runs with simple software, and works with all kinds of ribbon. Big printers won't touch tiny custom orders. But you can. Personalized wedding ribbons, branded packaging, custom event banners, done in minutes. Event planners, gift shops, and crafters. They'll keep coming back. You print, you roll, you profit. Gummy bears, vitamin gummies, CBD chews, tiny treats, huge market. And this compact gummy candy machine is how you get in. It mixes, pours, and molds gummies with perfect texture and shape. From fruity snacks to supplement-packed bites. Costs around $9,000. Small enough for a workshop, powerful enough to scale your own brand. Big candy companies need massive runs. But you can create limited flavors, custom shapes, and small batch wellness treats. Health stores, gift boxes, supplement brands, they're all looking for premium gummies. You cook. This machine molds. Your sweet business begins. Custom keychains, phone stands, cosplay parts, 3D printed, everything is in. This mini 3D printer makes it all real. It prints fast, precise, and in high detail using simple filament rolls. Costs just $450. Compact enough for a desk, powerful enough to launch a side hustle. Big printing services charge high and take time. But you can offer fast custom prints, one-offs, prototypes, or niche parts. Gamers, hobbyists, crafters, even small businesses. They're all looking for unique, made-to-order pieces. You design. This printer builds, and your creative business takes off. At Money Making Machines, we don't just talk. We show you real machines that print profits. Ready for the next one? Click the video on your screen and discover your next business idea.